Hi, welcome to Mennonite Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and if you're new to my channel, I do cooking and baking from scratch, canning and dehydrating videos. If that sort of thing interests you, feel free to subscribe to the channel. And if you're finding value in this video, hit the thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow, and I sure do appreciate it. Today we're in the garden. It is late May, and I just want to show you what I have started this summer, because it is the first official day of summer because it's Memorial Day 2022. So let me show you around what is growing and what's doing well and what's not doing so well this year. This is our hardneck garlic, and this is our first year trying to grow it in our garden. And normally it probably would be doing really well in this location, but lo and behold, we have had 7 inches of rain this month. And these are our sugar snap peas, and it snowed on them this year, and we were told we will get an extra bushel with them. And our onions are not doing well this year. We have Walla Wallas and Texas yellow onions, and since it snowed on them after we planted them, they're not doing so well this year, but we'll hope for the best. Our cabbage looks beautiful this year. I don't know how we do it, but it is looking gorgeous, isn't it? This is Butter Crunch. And my husband doesn't know what's going on with it. Me personally thinks it's trying to bolt before it even tries to form a head this year. This is red romaine head lettuce, and it's doing beautiful, and we've already had a couple heads of it. Here's a better look at our onions. They look so sad this year. This is broccoli, and we purchased the starts from an Amish greenhouse about 2 hours from here, and no fail that every year the broccoli looks this great from there. We purchased our cauliflower from the same place, and so far so good. Cauliflower is hit or miss for us if it does well. And our beets, yeah, they're not looking so good either. Probably they don't like rain either to start with. We have 2 rows of carrots, and I believe they're all Dangers 126. Now this is Swiss chard. Normally by now it would be 5 times this size, and I would usually be canning this on Memorial Day. Not this year. It actually just looks big enough to put in a salad, along with my other lettuces. I think it's soon time to thin these carrots out. This is the best my carrots have ever looked. We have our Italian Amish paste tomatoes, we have our San Maranos, we have alpaca tomatoes, and some Pruton's purple that we got from Monticello on our honeymoon. And if anybody has asked me to send them tomato seeds, I'm definitely saving them for this season. Make sure I give you the best quality I can. Soon we'll put cages around them and a layer of seed corn bags underneath them. That way we don't have to weed them, and they'll get huge. And I'll definitely be pruning some more this year than I have in years past. This year my green beans are looking great so far. Last year my first flush got eaten by those yellow fuzzy bugs. This year I'm determined to make sure they don't eat any. Sometime last week my husband went behind my back and planted zucchini and cucumbers because he said we needed more relish to make cheeseburger and fries casserole. Do you blame the man? I'm a little upset though. So these are our potatoes. We have white, we got purple, we got red, and we got yellow. So we'll have plenty of french fries for cheeseburgers and fries casserole. One thing we struggle with here in the north is our lettuce always bolts before our tomatoes even start growing. And we have 3 types of lettuce this year, and I think one was free from Mennonite Gardener. It looks like a mixture of the 2 that we do have. So go figure. And these are my strawberries. And we have some serious deer problems. So if you can help me figure out how to keep deer from eating my strawberry leaves, I would greatly appreciate it. We've already put Irish Spring soap in the tires there, and they are just going to town eating them. And I know you can barely see them, but these are candy onions, and they're doing wonderful. So maybe it's just because we planted these after it snowed, and I got them local from a greenhouse that I like to buy some plants from. And I'm going back here soon to get some red pepper plants. Alright, funny story. Last year, we planted 1 row, and I only got so many, and I gave to my parents and my mother-in-law for Easter. We just didn't have enough potatoes. So this year, somehow we miscommunicated with each other, and we both got potatoes. He said we couldn't get Kennebecks. Then we turned around and found Kennebecks. He got some purples and some reds, and I got some yellows, and we got some more whites. And this is my herb garden, which is now overrun with oregano, and I just love oregano, so I need to start harvesting this and dehydrating it very soon. And if anybody can tell me what those yellow spotches on the leaves are, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so very much for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, I'm sure you're loving the content of this channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on each video. May I suggest watching this next? Until next time, take care and God bless.